In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add conditional formatting in Smartsheet step by step. Conditional formatting is a powerful feature that helps you automatically highlight important data, track progress, and make your sheets easier to read at a glance. Whether you're managing projects, tracking tasks, or monitoring deadlines, this feature can instantly improve how your sheet looks and functions. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and go to the sheet where you want to apply conditional formatting. Make sure you're in Grid View, since that's where most formatting rules are created and managed. Once your sheet is open, click on any cell inside the sheet. This just ensures the sheet is active and ready for editing. You can click on any row or column. It doesn't matter which one for now. Next, look toward the top area of your sheet and click on the three dots menu. This opens additional sheet options and settings. From the drop-down menu, click on Conditional Formatting. This will open the Conditional Formatting panel where you can create, edit, and manage formatting rules for your sheet. Now click on Add New Rule. This is where you'll define the logic that controls when formatting is applied. After clicking Add New Rule, you'll see an option that says Set Condition. Go ahead and click on Set Condition. Here, you can define the criteria that must be met for the formatting to trigger. For example, you might choose a specific column, then set a condition like is equal to, greater than, contains, or another logical option depending on your needs. Then enter the value that should trigger the formatting. Once you've configured your condition, flick OK to confirm it. This saves the condition and takes you back to the rule editor. Now you'll choose how the formatting should look when the condition is met. Click on the Formatting Style option. You'll typically see text style controls such as bold, italics, text color, and background color. Select the formatting style you prefer. For example, you might choose a red background for overdue tasks or a green background for completed items. Next, decide where you want this formatting to apply. Click on the option that lets you choose the scope of the rule. You can apply it to specific columns, or you can select entire row if you want the whole row to change whenever the condition is met. Choosing entire row is especially helpful for project tracking because it makes important rows stand out clearly. If you ever need to exit without saving additional changes, you can click Cancel. Otherwise, once your rule is fully configured, make sure it's saved and enabled in the Conditional Formatting panel. And that's it. You've successfully added conditional formatting in Smartsheet. Now your sheet will automatically update visually whenever the defined condition is met, helping you quickly spot important information without manually scanning every row. Conditional formatting is incredibly useful for highlighting overdue tasks, budget overruns, priority levels, approval statuses, and much more. You can always return to the Conditional Formatting panel to edit existing rules, add more rules, or reorder them depending on priority. If this video helped you learn how to add conditional formatting in Smartsheet, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Smartsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.